Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer projects from Trello to ClickUp with Importer, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Log into your ClickUp account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the left sidebar and click on the settings icon. From the settings menu, select the import option. In the import options, choose Trello as your source. You will be prompted to connect your Trello account to ClickUp. Click on the Connect Trello button to initiate the connection process. Authorize ClickUp to access your Trello account by following the prompts. Select the Trello board you wish to import. Choose the ClickUp workspace where you want the board to be imported. You will have the option to either import all lists or select specific lists to transfer. Click Import after making your selections. The importer will start transferring your projects from Trello to ClickUp. Once the import is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Review the imported tasks and lists in your ClickUp workspace. Make any necessary adjustments to task details or assignments as needed. Explore the new features available in ClickUp to enhance your project management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.